In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh NinjaTrader chart. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you the easiest and best ones. So first, you want to open a chart and you want to right click anywhere inside it. And as you can see down here towards the bottom, it says reload all historical data. Now, if you see this, you could press this or press Ctrl plus Shift plus R on your keyboard, which is going to go and of course reload that. What you can also do, and I usually do this as well, is press this one as well, which is called reload NinjaScript. So whenever you click on that, it's going to reload NinjaScript, but you could also go and when the window is active, press F5 on your keyboard. It's going to kind of blink this price as you can see over here, which means it's basically refreshed. Now what you could also do is check your connection up top, so you can try disconnecting. I'm inside simulated, and of course then reconnecting to your data feed again. That's also kind of going to refresh. And what you could also do is go down here where you can see your instruments and just switch to a different instrument so it loads up, and then go back to the one you were on, and that's also kind of going to refresh your chart, okay? So that's essentially how to refresh your chart. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.